Hello, good day everyone. We have a new lesson for today, and it is all about matter. Mhm. And we know that matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. Examples are cell phone, trees, mask, and you. We all matter. Under matter class, we have different subtopics. First, state of matter, properties of matter, phases of matter, classifications of matter. But for today, we are going to talk about states of matter. Normally, matter occupies one of three phases or states. These are solid, liquid, and gas. Solid, it has a definite shape and volume. The particles of a solid cannot exchange position. Solids are incompressible. So, dili siya ma-compress. Yes, example, kay kana siya class. Also, the atoms are close to each other. Liquid. Liquids have definite volumes. Liquids do not have fixed shape, yes, because the liquids will depend on the shape of your container. If your container is lata, so therefore cylinder. If your container is square, so therefore it's square. Like solids, liquids are also incompressible since the atoms are not too far and not too close from each other. So still, it is not incompressible. Gas. Gases take on the shape and volume of their container also. Unlike solids and liquids, gases are highly compressible. So that's the example. Technically, the word gas refers to a substance that is in the gas phase at room temperature, while vapor refers to the gaseous state of a substance that is normally a solid or liquid at a room temperature. Example, in a room temperature, we have balloon, so therefore that is considered a gas or example of gas, while vapor is the albatross. So si albatross kay diba from solid mahimo siyang gas kay mo evaporate mo siya. So that's the example of vapor. Ni-undergo siya og changes from solid to gas. Yes, also the ice from solid mahimo siyang gas because ni-evaporate man sad siya. Now we have fourth state of matter. It refers to the collection of charged gaseous particles containing nearly equal numbers of negative positive ions. So when we say plasma, best example niya kay sun. Dili man nato ma-associate si sun as solid or liquid or gas na siyang kitawag nato siya og lain nga states of matter, which is plasma. Opposite of plasma is what we call Bose-Einstein condensate, the fifth state of matter. It occurs as ultra low temperature. Ngano opposite man siya, di ba si plasma is high temperature because example sun, lightning, while this one is ni-exist siya as low temperature. Bose-Einstein condensate are dilute gases that are cooled to temperature very close to absolute zero. That is very near to 0 Kelvin class. As we shall see in more detail later, the phase or state of a substance is determined with the average kinetic energy of the particles that make up the substance and the strength of the attractive forces holding the substance's particles together. So let's talk about kinetic molecular theory. Kinetic theory states that the tiny particles in all forms of matter are in constant motion. Kinetic refers to motion. It helps you understand the behavior of solid, liquid, and gas, atoms, molecules, as well as the physical properties. It provides a model behavior based off the three principles. When molecules move faster, they produce more friction, right? We can produce heat if we rub two wood. And when molecules move slower, they cause less friction and therefore less heat and closer together and contract. So that's all for states of matter. Thank you.